Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we are reviewing yet another Solana meme coin, and today we are reviewing I Need a Max Win, because literally this is one of the craziest coins ever. Back in the day, this is a pretty old coin. It's all the way, it basically launched somewhere in January, the 5th of January, and it literally went from like a $1 million market cap all the way to an $80 million market cap in literally a time span of a week, which is crazy, because in my opinion, I Need a Max Win is just one of the biggest memes currently, and it's still actually quite a hot meme. The coin just died out a little bit because Solana and all those kind of things just did not really perform well. However, of course, now with the rise of Solana and Bitcoin again, we can see that I Need a Max Win actually bottomed out. It made a perfectly rounding bottom. And right now we are trading right here. We can see we are trading nowhere near its old all-time high. However, in this video I'm going to show you what I basically think of the project, can it go up again, and basically what are my price targets, and basically also how could you potentially buy this coin if you want to. So yeah, basically before I tell you all of that, I quickly wanted to say that if you want to trade Solana meme coins, I would recommend doing this using Unibot on Solana. It's basically a sniper bot where you can buy and sell extremely quickly for Solana meme coins on Telegram. You also have copy trading, limit orders, low cost average orders. So yeah, basically it's much faster than Radium right now. So I would go recommend checking it out. I have it linked in the first link in the description. It's what I use for Solana trading. So yeah, basically that being said, what is I Need a Max Win? Well, probably if you have not living under a rock, then this meme is extremely popular. Basically it's from Drake. Drake was gambling a lot, and basically every time he wanted a max win, he will say I need a max win. And it went extremely viral. It was clipped and literally got hundreds of millions of views. And of course Drake actually also started selling his own I Need a Max Win heads, which is extremely cool as well. So yeah, basically Drake knows that the meme is there, and that's actually pretty popular. And yeah, basically that's why they created this meme coin, because of course meme coins do really good recently, basically always have been, and this is one of the biggest memes right now, in my opinion, the biggest meme of 2024. Tell me any other meme. I don't really know other than this coin meme, basically, because it's just so freaking funny and famous. Of course, Drake is one of the biggest artists right now. He has literally more than 140 million followers over on his Instagram, and basically it's just extremely bullish that he is just making memes like that. Now also, this meme of course got created by basically gambling, and that's really cool because he did actually gamble using Stake, which is a crypto platform where you can gamble. So that's extremely bullish as well, because basically it's pretty close to each other, meme coins and stake gambling. I mean, both on crypto, both on a blockchain. So maybe he will start recognizing this as well, and maybe potentially start buying into it or just talking about it, because Drake has been a pretty big crypto supporter recently. Now if we look at their Twitter, we can see it's not even that big right now. We can see some really decent posts coming out, but basically it just pumped so much because the meme was just going so freaking viral. Now the meme died down a bit, but it's still pretty active, and I think that once normies and retail investors are going to start going more and more into Solana again, I think that this could explode like crazy. It's currently at a $23 million market cap with an all-time high of 80 million. So a lot more room to grow. It also has still $6 million in volume, even after basically more than 3 months of just consolidation, or 2 months basically. So yeah, that's extremely bullish. Also, if we look at the max win chart, basically it's the ticker is Wynn. If we basically look at this chart, it basically reminds me of Popcat. Oh my god, I clicked it away, sorry. In my opinion, basically it's exactly the same. We can see on Popcat we had this double top right here, so a top right here and a top right here, and on Wynn we also saw this. And basically right now we are seeing consolidation, and we also saw this on Popcat. And then once that consolidation was over, we just slowly saw it going up with dips. And that's currently what we're seeing right here as well. Slowly going up with dips. And that's extremely bullish, and reminder that this chart is on the 1 hour. So if we look at the 4 hour, it's much smaller, and it does actually look a little bit like the Popcat chart in my opinion. And basically once Popcat saw that first breakout, it just continued to go up. And in my opinion, this could also just do the same. currently only at a $22 million market cap. So if it will basically do the same as Popcat, you can see that it will go all the way right here, and then it will look even more like the Popcat's chart, simply because it's much smaller than basically this first little bump. So yeah, in my opinion, this chart just looks similar to the Popcat chart. Basically, if we just look right here, we can also see right now that we are potentially creating somewhat of a cup and handle pattern. So this will be the cup right here, and then this will be the handle. And if that will be the case, then all we need to do is break that neckline, which is going to be somewhere right here. Let me quickly remove that. And basically, once we have done that, it will see a massive breakout. We can actually look at what the breakout could potentially be. And that breakout could all the way be to about a $40 million market cap, which is of course going to be a nice 2x from here. And potentially it can go much, much higher if the meme is there, the team and the community of course is there. That's the most important thing right now for this coin. But yeah, in my opinion, it's extremely bullish how it is looking right now. I really like this chart, and I actually hoped I could have invested some back here, because I think that this could go much higher from here, simply because Drake is still actively basically selling his hats basically. And if you look at some other influencers, they are still basically just talking about Max Wynn and all those kind of things. So yeah, I think this meme is definitely not over yet, and I think this could go much higher from here. Also quickly, when you type in Anita Max Wynn, then literally the first thing you see is the Anita Max Wynn shop, and the second thing you will see is CoinMarketCap. So you will see some videos in the shop, but after that is immediately the crypto coin Anita Max Wynn from CoinMarketCap, which is just crazy, because if normies, for example, search for that, and they will notice that then the crypto coin is made about Anita Max Wynn. They are of course going to go crazy about this, and maybe Drake types it in for fun. Maybe he wants to do see how the shop is going for his website. And then he maybe sees, oh, they also have a crypto coin about this. And when he notices that's already at a $22 million market cap, he might actually start looking at it and potentially talk about it, invest in it, whatever. If we get Drake's attention, it could be absolutely crazy. And maybe Drake already knows that this coin exists. Maybe he doesn't want to do anything to do with it. Or maybe he just wants to wait till Bitcoin and crypto is a bit more hype and then talk about it. So yeah, in my opinion, there is a lot more coming for this coin if this just plays out. Of course, it could also simply go down from here if we don't break that neckline, but the chart is looking much more in the favor of a potential break to the upside. So yeah, that basically being said, let's quickly look at their Telegram and also how can you buy this coin. Alright, so currently we are in the Anita Max Wynn Telegram, and we can see how bullish this is. Literally, when I joined, the first thing they did, and they basically were doing this right now, is just simply starting up rates. And we all know how important rates are, that's just crazy. And we can see that the engagement on the rates are also extremely good. 60 likes is extremely decent. We can also see right now that the team and community is still extremely active right here in the Telegram. We can see also that they are still pinning messages, which is really bullish. We're still understanding the power of the meme. Everything is just still looking pretty good in my opinion. And yeah, basically that being said, now let's quickly look at how can you buy this coin. So first of all, if we look at CoinMarketCap, then of course you can buy this coin on either Radium or Jupiter, I think, and Orca as well, but I will just recommend using Radium. But you can also buy it on Maxi and Bitmart. These are two smaller exchanges, however they are there, so if you want to not use Phantom and Radium basically, and simply want to use a centralized exchange, you can do this with Maxi or Bitmart. Now what you can also simply do is buy this coin using a sniper bot. And yes, I know it sounds really shady, but I've been basically trading using a sniper bot for so long right now. And what it is, it's basically a bot on Telegram, which is extremely popular. Like a lot of people are currently using this, and more people are currently catching on to this because it's just so much faster than a crypto exchange or than Radium. Literally what you do is go to the first link in the description, start up your Unibot, just click /start, send some Solana to your wallet that's automatically generated for you. Once you've done that, literally all you do is click on buy. Once you've done that, you simply enter the token you want to buy. So of course we want to buy Anita Max Wynn. You simply copy the contract address, paste it in Telegram right here, click on enter. It will ask you how much Solana you want to buy. Once you've done that, you just bought the coin. Then click on positions and you can see how much money you are currently making on your coin, and you can simply buy or sell more if you want to. It's literally that easy. It's so much faster than the trading bot, so much faster than Radium, sorry. So I will definitely recommend using it. I'm using it myself for so long. It's completely safe. It's basically like Phantom, but then basically on Telegram. So yeah, it's extremely quick as well. I will just check it out. Link in the first link in the description. And basically, that being said, this is all I have for you about Max Wynn. Yes, I'm pretty excited about this, and I'm curious to see if it's going to go much higher. And that's basically all I have for you for this I Need a Max Wynn crypto meme coin review. So please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel if you can. The channel has been popping off like crazy and I do truly appreciate that. It's absolutely insane how fast we're growing, especially with Solana and Bitcoin doing good, and much more meme coins are currently coming. So I'm just excited about that. That being said, I hope I will see you in my next crypto meme coin review.